Hello.
Everything and all that.
Okay, we're at an oyster place.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, pearl place. And what makes pearls? And I just said oysters. So we're probably going to be eating oyster. We're upstairs from the place where you buy pearls. My mom got some actually. I got some. No, I didn't get any.
Don't look
But I wanted some really bad. They were too expensive. No, I'm kidding. So we are here, and I don't know what we're eating because no food on the vending table.
Yeah.
Except for like tea or whatever that is, but we're not drinking that. I had a bad experience. Just like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
That's true.
Right.
Yeah.
It's been. I mean,
My parents
it's gonna be more like
My parents said to show you the napkin. Don't know why. I'll show you the food when it gets out here. One sec.
Already, so.
And I'm getting better. Okay.